How to enable sensitive content on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable sensitive content on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three lines icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down and select what you see. And under here, simply tap on content preferences. And now here in this section, simply select sensitive content and choose more to allow more sensitive content in your feed. And once selected, Instagram will show you more sensitive content based on your preferences. And that's how you can enable sensitive content on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.